Today we are going to look at coordinate geometry, still under lines, that's intersection of lines. How do we find the coordinate of the intersection of line? So we have two lines here. Let's say this one is L1 and this one is L2, line 2. So we are going to look for the intersection of these two lines. So we have this one passing and this one passing. So we have their meeting point. And since they are meeting at the same point, it means that this point must satisfy both equations. So let's quickly look at example to see what I mean. So find the coordinate of A. If two lines x plus y minus 2 equals 0 and they 2x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0 meet at point A. So these are the 2 points. So solution, we are going to rewrite this equation to make it nicely, and we are going to use simultaneous equation to do it as I've written it here. So looking at these two equations, always for the intersection of lines, we use simultaneous equation to find the coordinate of the point, the meeting point, that's x and y value. So with this, we have this equation 1 and then equation 2. So looking at this, we can either use substitution method or elimination method. But here, we are going to use elimination. That will be easy. So quickly, let's subtract equation 2 minus equation 1. So we are going to subtract equation 1 from 2. So 2x minus x will give us x. Y minus y will give us 0. So minus 5 minus 2 will give us minus 5 minus 2 here. So here we are going to get x is equal to negative 7 for x. So for here, we put the value of x into any of the equations, either equation 1 or equation 2. So here, let's put it into equation 1. Put s is equal to 7 into equation 1. So from here, x is negative 7. So wherever you see x, you put negative 7 there. So negative 7 plus y is equal to 2. So y minus 7 plus y plus 7 is equal to 2 plus 7. So whatever you do here, you do the same here. So we are adding 7 to this side. We are adding 7 here. So as we've added 7 here, it means the 7 will go to 0. Minus 7 plus 7 is 0. So we are going to have y is equal to 9. Therefore, the meeting point or the coordinate of A will be negative 7 and 9. So for the point here, it will be what? Negative 7 and 9. So let's try another example. Let's say example 2. So this is one equation and this is another equation. So we are going to look for the intersection of these two. And I'm saying that the intersection means that we should always use, we are going to use simultaneous equation to look for the x and the y value. The x and the y value gives us what? The point of the intersection. And since it's the point of intersection, it means that those 2 points must satisfy the two equations. So quickly, let's look at this one. So solution. So we have x plus y will be equal to, we are bringing the 6 here, negative 6 here to make it 6. That is equation 1. 3x plus 2y will give us negative 2 to the other side. So here, let's use elimination or substitution, whatever. So with elimination, let's either multiply here equation 1 either by 3 or 2, whichever it will work. So let's multiply equation 1 by 3. So we are going to get 3x plus 3y, which is equal to 18. That's the equation 3 for this. And we have that still equation 2 here. So quickly, let's subtract equation 2 from equation 3 from this side. So 2 from 3, we are going to get 0 for the x portion. And 3 minus 2, we are going to get y, which is equal to 18 minus this minus 2. 18 minus negative 2. So we are going to get y is equal to 20. So we have y to be 20. And since we have our y here, we can put it into any of the equations here. So let's put it into equation 1, which is easy to do. So equation 1, so we have x plus 20 is equal to 6. Therefore, x will be equal to 6 minus 20. So if you subtract 20 from here and you subtract from this side, the 20 here will go to 0 from this end, and then you have the, therefore, x is equal to negative 14. Therefore, the point of intersection is what? The value of x and that of y. So this is the what? The point of intersection. It's not difficult. It's not difficult. It's very easy with practice. So I always encourage you to practice. Math is all about practicing. It deals with critical thinking, but the more you practice, the more it becomes easy. Thank you.